Goeiemôre YouTubers en TikTokers. Good morning YouTubers and TikTokers. This is a bilingual video. This is going to be a bilingual video. As you see, we're at the beach, and I want to talk about the difference between Mpumalanga and Natal. Okay, so we moved down from Nelspruit about a month ago, so down to Southport, and now we live here. So, but there's major differences that you should know about if you move down here that you won't experience while you are on vacation. En die grootste ding hier so is tyd. This is the province that time forgot. The time here goes slowly. It's not actually it's getting to be a problem. Dit is waterproef hier. Okay, wat jy dink nog dit is nou 2 uur. Jy gaan nou 'n broodjie eet. Dan is dit 12 uur. Of jy skrik in die nag wakker en dat jy het nou net 8 uur gaan slaap, ek moet nou so 2 uur wees. Dan is dit 10 o'clock. Dit is ongelooflik hoe so stadig die tyd hier verbygaan. Another major difference is the people. The people are I don't want to offend anybody, but there's a lot of scruffy people here. They dress like hobos. They don't shave. They I don't know if they take baths regularly. But yeah, and we met nice people from other places like Tamazimbi and Rustenburg, people that are coming to retire here. But in most cases, when we met locals, they were friendly with locals, but most of them just to themselves. And the other thing is, if you have a liquor store here, you're making a lot of money. Or a marijuana shop, the green stuff, cannabis. There's as much cannabis shops as liquor stores here. So that's that's how it works. Yeah, you know. And then these people are technologically disabled. They're behind time. They still want you to fax CDs. In Mpumalanga, you don't use faxes. And as you can see, if you talk to someone about ChatGPT, there's a lot of confusion. They don't know what you're talking about. So Natal is technologically behind. And you can see why especially the South Coast economy is what it was. But the people don't work here. There's no service. The services are slow. It's slower than the Slowveld, man. Dit is stadiger as Nelspruit hierso. Die manne hier is nie baie gepla om jou diens te gee nie, maar glad. So en dan die masjien. Nou kyk op Mpumalanga, kan jy daai man op 'n my oor aankom nie. Hy's op pad. En hy het 'n redelike aggressie op. Hy het 'n doelwit te bereik. Hierso, sy manne silent assassins. Hy kom so ingeglide. En dan net as hy thrusters gooi om te lap, dan hoor jy hom. Maar hierso is maar Mpumalanga is die manne vinnig. Jy moeilik om hulle raak te val. Hierso is die manne leier stadig en arrogant, nee. Ek het nou hierdag een gegryp daar by die wasbak aan sy keel en hy moet uitspoeg voor ek kom dood. So stadig is die man. Ja. So daar's baie verskille tussen Natal en Mpumalanga of die suidkus en Nelspruit. En dit is 'n eerlike aanpassing al die tyd. die swak diens en die stadige diens, die stadige pace van lewe. Die tydfaktor vang 'n ou bietjie. Ja, maar aan die ander kant het dit 'n voordeel. Dinge vat langer. Jy kan iets langer geniet. Dis die groot ding. Maar julle ouens moet asseblief subscribe en na ons video's kyk. Dus please watch and subscribe to our channel. Watch our videos. We're going to be making a lot of videos about the South Coast and all the attractions here that we get to. We wanted to do the upside down house, but R120 to go watch, to look into an upside down house. That's a bit steep there. But I see the one in Harties is also R120 for admission. So maybe it's a franchise, an upside down house for rentals. But we will take a lot of videos like this, walking on the beach, talking about something. So keep your eyes open. Please watch our videos. This is the Bat signing out.